Hello, my name is Ranae, and my partners are Mycayla Jolly and Hunter O'Brien, and our court case is Wisconsin v. Yoder. This case was decided in 1972. This all started when Jonas Yoder and Wallace Miller were parents who were members of the Amish community. They were prosecuted by the state of Wisconsin because they refused to send their kids to high school, citing that it would undermine their religious beliefs. The state's courts had ruled against Yoder as saying that his actions were not okay, but a Lutheran lawyer took up their cause and appealed to the Supreme Court.
What religion was affected by this case?
Wisconsin cited their compulsory education law to say that the fact that children weren't going to school until 16 was against the law.
The defense cited the Free Exercise Clause of the First Amendment, which essentially states that citizens are free to practice their religion as they please, and argued that it applies to the states through the use of the 14th Amendment.
What amendment was cited by the defense? The Chief Justice was Warren Burger. The ruling was 7-0 in favor of Yoder. The court believed the 2 extra years of compulsory education made little difference to the Amish children, as well as the fact that they were a self-sustaining group.
One caveat that the court did add was that religious exemption cases in legal issues were also required to have a solid base. For example, you could not claim that you made a religion that allowed murder, because obviously that is wrong, and if it is not an official religion and that sort of a thing, it didn't make sense for the court to allow those sort of exemptions. They also believed that since the children typically had informal vocational education as part of the Amish community, that it was okay.
Who was the ruling in favor of?
Some of the precedents that were set by this case is that parents were now allowed to educate their children outside of either the public school system or traditional private schools. This helped to prioritize the free exercise of religion over state interests. There were also now multiple avenues that parents could take to educate their children, and there was a looser system of education overall throughout the states.
What can parents now do with the precedents of this case?